Looking to create stunning videos effortlessly with Capcut templates. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find and use the perfect template to bring your ideas to life. Let's get started. First, open your Capcut app. Once you are inside, you will see a template option at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, you will find a variety of templates to choose from. Browse through the options and pick one that fits your style. If you are not sure where to start, you can use the category filter at the top to narrow down your choices. Once you have found a template that catches your eye, open it to preview how it looks. Make sure it suits your need. For this demonstration, I will select this template to show you how it works. Now, tap on Use this template. The app will automatically display the video saved in your gallery. Select the video you want to use with the template. After selecting, you will see a quick demo of how the template applies to your video. When you are happy with it, tap Export. You will be prompted to tap Export again to confirm. Wait for the export process to complete. Once it's done, your newly edited video will be saved in your gallery. Open your gallery and your latest video should be the one you just created. And that's it. Creating amazing videos with Capcut templates is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.